In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill out capital loss carryover amount in TurboTax. So what you should do is first, of course, sign into your TurboTax account. And what's very important to know over here is that if you transferred your last year's TurboTax return over, you actually don't have to do anything because they've already entered it for you automatically, which is great. So in case you've transferred last year's TurboTax return over, you can click off this video. This has been done automatically. But if you haven't, what you have to do is now follow my instructions. So the first thing you want to do is open or continue your return. So you want to go to Tax Home over here on the left, and then you want to continue from where you left off. So for example, let's say it's going to be this part over here. You want to click Let's Get Started or Continue or whatever it is. So just continue from where you are. And from here, once you're in there, you want to go to search box up top, and you want to type in what we're looking for. So capital loss carryover. There we go. And from here, you want to click on that. And you will see it's going to say jump to capital loss carryover. Now you simply want to just click on that, and it's going to jump to this part of the form basically. And what you have to do is just start filing it out. So it's going to ask you a bunch of different questions. You just want to answer yes or no over here, and it's going to take you all the way through. And that way you can enter in your capital loss carryover. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.